Hi, everybody. Welcome to our 7th grade advanced math transition course. I'd like to take you on a little tour so you can be successful in this course. First, I would like to share two links on the left side of our homepage. The first one is the access to all of the handouts that you will need to print for this course. You can print them before you begin, or you can print them as you go through the lessons. They are located within each unit in each lesson. The second link I want to share with you is this course checklist. This checklist will help keep you on track and organized. You can bookmark this so you can easily access. As you complete the handout and the concept check for each lesson, you can check it off your list. Back on the home page, you can access the 2 units that you will cover for this course. You can access them directly here or through modules. One of the most important things to keep in mind to be successful in the course is to complete each module and each lesson in the order as they appear. So, this is the order that you will go through for each lesson. There will be an overview, the lesson itself, the answer key, and then your concept check. So let's take a look at what it actually looks like. So the overview tells you exactly what's going to happen throughout this lesson, whether you can use a calculator or not. So read through those instructions. And then step 2 for each lesson is going to be the actual lesson itself. The first part of step 2 is the handout. If you have not printed out the handouts, you can print them out here. If you do not have access to a printer, you can simply use notebook paper to take notes and to practice your problems. The video is the main part of each lesson because it is the lesson itself. Make sure you pause the video when you need to. Once you have completed the video and the notes, you will have additional practice problems on the handout to complete. Once you complete these problems, take a picture of your work, and I suggest to save it to your Google Drive. That way you can upload it easily here. Once you have uploaded your work, then you'll have access to the key, and this is another important piece of the course to be successful is going over the answer key and making any changes on your own handout. Once you have completed that step 3, then you will have the concept check, which will always be step 4. Once you complete the answer key and take the concept check, you can move on. I will let you know that each item, each question, you have 2 attempts per question. In addition to 2 attempts per question, you have access to 3 similar questions. This gives you a total of 6 opportunities per item to understand the content. Once you complete the concept check, then it will take you to lesson 2, and you will begin this process over the overview, the lesson, the answer key, and then the concept check. At the end of each unit is a unit test. So I'm going to scroll down to step 1 of the test. So the test has an overview. It lets you know what to expect on the test. You will need to have scratch paper and show your work. You will upload your scratch work after completing the test. Each test does have a time limit. In Unit 1, you do not need to use a calculator. One important note, when you start the test, you cannot pause the timer. So make sure you are prepared to complete the test in one sitting. The password for each test is given after you complete the testing agreement. The testing agreement is in this link above the test itself. So you will complete the testing agreement, entering your name, first and last name, and answering these questions. Once you submit, you will get a pop-up message that will give you the password for each test. Once you complete your test, you will take a picture of your scratch work and you will upload it on step 3. So, step 3 of the testing process is a place for you to upload your scratch work. Once you upload your scratch work, then you will enter Unit 2 and do the same process. So, for this course, there are 2 units to complete. At the end of this course, which ends July 10th, your information will be given to your homeschool, and your homeschool may ask for a face to face test. You will have to reach out to them to see if your homeschool wants you to come in to take a face to face test before school begins. If you have any questions throughout this course, you can contact Ms. Carpenter. Here is her email address. You can also message her within Canvas. My email address, I am Miss Thomas. My email address is here, or you can simply contact me through Canvas. Good luck, and I know you're going to do great, taking into consideration all the suggestions given here.